Today we will learn about graph of functions. In this video lesson, everything is covered in context of GRE. If you are preparing for GRE, then you must be familiar with these fundamentals before approaching to the problems. What is graph of function? So graph of function is basically a graph of algebraic equations of line, parabola, circle or combination of any of these shapes in a coordinate plane of the form x and fx. The input value is domain, which is a set of all permissible values of variable x for that function. Similarly, next term, range. So range is the set of all output values and it is represented as y, where y is equal to fx. We can present functions in graphical form through substituting all input values as x-axis and all output values as y-axis. Algebraic equations for geometrical shapes for the graph of functions covered in GRE are: number 1, straight line, second is parabola, third is circle. So the equation for straight line is equal to y is equal to mx plus b, where m is slope and b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means the point at which line intersects the y-axis. So this is the graph of this equation will be of this nature. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So for values, whatever value we are input for x, the output what we are getting for y, we plot it on this x and y axis, it will be of this nature. So the graph of straight line will be look like this. Now graph of parabola, here the equation is quadratic equation, which is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are constant and a is not equal to 0. So for all the input value of x, whatever values we are getting for y will create a shape of parabola. So this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. So generally we are getting the parabola of this nature. So for all the value we will input for x, we will get the value of output in the form of y. So this is the shape we will get for quadratic equation, which is parabola. Now third is circle. The equation for circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square, where a and b are the coordinates of the center of the circle, means a and b the coordinates where the center of the circle lies and r is the radius. So this will be of this nature. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, center lies over here. This will be if a and b equal to 0. So this is the coordinates of the center and the circle will something look like this. So whatever value we are giving to the x, the generated value for the y will give you this shape of circle. Thank you. For more videos, log on to limaglobal.com. Thank you.